Throughout our processing facility, we want to ensure sanitary design, not only in the food contact surfaces, but throughout the total environment.
So the plant's made up of a lot of different components: pumps, valves, fittings. All these components must be of 3A design. As you can see here, it's identified on this valve. 3A design means that it's been designed and engineered properly where it can be cleaned and sanitized easily and disassembled for inspection. One of the other components that are critical in a plant environment is sanitary welding. Throughout the process piping, there are many sanitary welds. These have to be done by a qualified installer so it's clean and crevice free.
In our food processing plant, at all possible, we want to minimize the use of tape. We also want to look at our ground contact surfaces so that they're free of dirt and debris. Also, the cleanability of equipment is very important, so we have stainless steel and cleanable plastics.
So the bottom line is choose proper designed equipment with the proper materials and you have a successful operation.